the intuitive awareness method. This is the basic technique from my book of the same name. So the trick of this technique is to imagine each possible answer to a question that you have as 100% true, and then allow your physical and spiritual body to react to tell you if it's true or false. So you create the idea that it's true, and then your body will tell you if it's true or not. The mind is not a good advisor at discerning truth and falsehood, but if you let body, memory, muscle, chest, and heart feel a thing, they will know. Okay? So the steps are, you calm down and write down a question that you have, something you want to know, and that could really be anything. Something you really wish to know. And then the second step is to write down each possible answer that you can think of. And then the third step is to imagine each answer as being 100% true, telling yourself, this is so, this is 100% true, I believe this, I'm convinced of this. And then for every item, to check how it feels, to give yourself 10, 20, 30 seconds or even a minute to see how something feels. And then you open your eyes and cross out the items on your list that don't feel true. You might have had 7 answers or so. And then repeat imagining each of the remaining items on the list. You contrast and you compare how your body reacts to them once again until you narrow it down to 1 or 2, hopefully only 1. So my book, The Intuitive Awareness Method, shares many examples of this and how effective it is at gaining information that you'd normally not have access to, but that your intuition and your body do have access to. That's the technique, and if this works well for you, please share it far and wide. My name is Fred Dodson.